So then we have fronted adverbials in year 5. Now, they already know what an adverbial is. They know that an adverbial is a word or a group of words that describe adjectives, other adverbs, and verbs. But now they're going to learn fronted adverbials, which means we just take that adverbial and we put it at the front of a sentence. So they jumped excitedly, walked casually, climbed cautiously. So let me see if this does it better. So we have the basic adverb as quietly, and then quietly hiding. So the cat in the picture is quietly hiding. This one is describing the verb. So hiding is the verb. So the cat is hiding quietly or quietly hiding. Then it can be used to describe an adjective. So the cat was very quiet and quietly hiding. And it can be used to describe another adverb. So soon is another adverb. So very is also an adverb. So very soon, the adverb describes the adverb. Then we get to put them all together. And here you will see the fronted adverbial. So quietly is our adverb. Quietly muttering, well, muttering is the verb, so quietly is describing the muttering, so quietly muttering, and then quietly muttering spells. So now this witch is quietly muttering the spells, and while she's stirring gently. So gently is an adverb, and quietly is an adverb. And now we have quietly muttering spells while stirring gently the black cauldron, which was slightly wobbling. Okay, so we have here quietly muttering spells at the beginning of the sentence. This is actually a fronted adverbial because it's telling us what the witch was doing and how she was doing it. So she was quietly muttering spells. Okay, so it's at the front of the sentence. So that is actually a fronted adverbial. So let's move on. Another example. So we have an adverbial phrase, a time adverbial phrase, which is in the morning. And we have in the morning after a terrible storm. So we actually have two adverbials here. We've got in the morning and then after. Okay, so after is an adverb as well. It's a time adverb, and in the morning is a time adverbial. So in the morning after a terrible storm, and we have in the morning. Oh, that's repeated. And then in the morning after a terrible storm, the terrified kitten nervously uncovered her emerald green eyes. So you can see here in the morning, we've got a fronted adverbial, and then we've got another adverbial after a terrible storm, but it's not fronted because this one's in the middle. And then we have another adverb, nervously uncovered. So uncovered is the doing word, but the kitten's doing it nervously. They're nervously uncovering their emerald green eyes. So we have 1, 2, 3 adverbials in this sentence, but the in the morning is the fronted adverbial, and the comma goes after the fronted adverbial. Okay. Everyone, my name is Sabina and I've been a teacher for 30 years, and I also tutor children for their SATS, their 11 plus, and teach GCSE foundation level English and math. I have a parent teacher group and I answer all your questions in there, and you get access to this video and other videos that I've done so that you can refer back to them in that group too. I do 3 of these sessions a week, which last on the platform for about a week, and then I take them off and then they get archived into the group. So if you want to join the group, then the link and the details are in the description below. So come and join the group and then I'll happily answer any questions that you have. I also have a free parent teaching magazine which goes out every month. So if you would like access to that delivered free to your inbox, then sign up. The details are also in the link with this description.